Yeah, and I suppose a bit like Barry, yeah, it really highlights the breadth of work that's ahead of us in this whole cybersecurity space. Probably, we are very aware of what's out there and what's going on, but some good practical advice in the course. You know, things that we can take away and look at how do we move from like a more manual response to a more automated way of going, or and I suppose a few priorities nearly to be picked up from the course from today. So yeah, good.